All right, good evening. I just watched a video of Falana responding to the video of VDM, very dark black man. To be very frank, at first, when VDM apologized to Falana, I felt it was in order. But having watched Falana's response on Channels Television, I must say I am completely disgusted and disappointed. For that reaction to have come from an elderly man, from a reputable senior advocate of Nigeria, that wasn't the type of response that I want to get from him. I am utterly disgusted and disappointed. And I'm not going to pretend about it. I still feel terribly bad that VDM has not attempted to make contact with me. Perhaps he feels I'm nobody, because there are perspectives that I would have wanted to share with him that will aid him. Now, before we lose track and get over our heads, let's take this thing sequentially and logically for that matter. Now, somebody owed somebody money, 4 million, and wanted to get his money back owing to an agreement. But Bobrisky was trying to play bigger than thou, and then the victim sought for help from somebody, very dark man in this case. And very dark man, the only way he knows how to get his money back is by threats with evidence. Now, VDM made a video. You need to follow the logic and see whether you agree with me that I should feel the same way that I have for Falana. I'm so disappointed. So, in fact, left for me, VDM should retract that apology. Let the words. I mean, who does he think he is talking like that? How can a senior advocate of Nigeria speak that way? I'm so ashamed. Anyway, let's take it step by step. Now, VDM made a video asking Bobrisky to pay back that money, or else he will regret what he did, and the people involved will regret too. Now, for some reason, Bobrisky dared the threat, and VDM released a tape. It wasn't VDM that made that tape. That is assuming the video is not AI, as it's beginning to the argument. You see, excuse me, we are not children. Even if it's AI, there's a type of conversation you listen to, the time of response, the way the response comes, the texture of the response, the naturality of otherwise of the response are clear indicators of whether the video is real or not. So, from my own judgment, having listened to that tape, the tape is real. Now, assuming the tape is real, okay, let's finish the story. Now, in that tape, Bobrisky is alleging that he didn't sleep in the cell, and that he has a godfather who made things work for him, that he didn't sleep in the cell, and he called Fals to talk to the father, and blah blah blah. Names begin to appear. Now, the origin of these names, except I don't need to go to law, because law is a product of logic. The law is a product of logic, fairness, and equity. So let's use common sense, which is we are fast losing it in Nigeria. Now, if I was the one? Should I be angry at the person who made the audio not available, or the person who made the audio available? Because I'm so sick and tired. I'm so angry that both Falana and Fals are not angry with Bobrisky, whose voice is on that tape. Okay, for purpose of at least acceptability, okay, why not show that you are angry with Bobrisky and VDM together? Because they are both culprits in making this whole scenario. If there was no tape, there wouldn't have been a VDM making a tape available. Now a tape is available. You are not using your power to question the authenticity of that tape. And if the tape is authentic, who should you be angry at? You are here on channels ventilating so what? Who the hell do you think you are? Nigeria is bigger than all of you put together. We are all angry. If we should be venting, let all of us be venting. All I saw in that interview is just a father trying to protect a son. That's it. Look, don't push it. Because this is the type of thing that you push and more secrets will appear. There is no amount of law you will quote that VDM has committed no crime. In fact, part of why I said I should speak with VDM is that apology he did was unnecessary. If you believe you have not done anything wrong, there's no point because an apology is also a way of admitting guilt. So I really don't see any point of making any apology at all. We all watched the video. There was nothing wrong. So if there is a tape, and assuming the tape is authentic, who should you be angry with? VDM or the originator of the tape? Don't just shouting and saying that you are going to do this, do that. What are you going to do to VDM? Look, if I told, just leave this, Falana has been silent. I thought he would continue to be silent. Just remain silent. Ignore it. Sometimes silence is a very, very good reciprocity to baseless accusation. But now that you have responded, you have brought yourself to the level of very dark man. I'm so shocked that in all this scenario, in all the angers, even in the House of Assembly, that woman, is it Falana, Abi Khalifat or somebody, you are saying you are too big to sit down on the case of video. Who are you not a human being? You know the mess, you know the shit. How would you say because you are this thing? Is it not VDM that elected you to be there? Without VDM's vote, would you be there? So don't feel because you are sitting in one green chambers, you suddenly feel bigger than that. Say you regret, you don't. It's a reduction to your personality sitting down in the case of VDM. This is not a case of it has gone beyond VDM. It has gone beyond Bobrisky. This is putting to question the authenticity of the system of Nigeria. It is not VDM, it is not Bobrisky. It's putting into question the reliability we should have on the system that drives the country. Our EFCC, a system established to fight corruption, is in question. Our correctional service, a system that holds people into. How many people are now in the comfort of somewhere in the country pretend to be serving their sentences when indeed they are not in the correctional service? I think this is time we should begin to check all those that have been sentenced and verify if truly they are inside our correctional services serving their terms. These are the things we should be talking about, not whether who cares about your integrity here. Is your integrity bigger than the integrity of Nigeria? Don't make me abuse you. Everybody they provoke, oh. Come here, they shout, pa, and all they provoke. Not only they provoke. If your son is doing something bad, please go and watch the video on channel. It's so shameful. I am utterly, in fact, my disgust overtook my shame. I'm so ashamed. A whole son speaking like that, like pick and catch, go thief. Then because now picking, you don't want to look at the other side. If I were a Falana, I would be circumspect. I will be careful. No, because VDM says he has another tape. And I'm sure VDM is holding that tape as a leverage. VDM is holding that tape as a leverage. In case this thing goes bad, it blows everything open. And as a lawyer, you should know whether the second tape he has, whether it's even more damaging. Because he said it's more damaging than this one he has opened. Only this one. They didn't say Falz is homosexual. They didn't say Falz is knocking Bobrisky. It's a tape record. Why are you not channeling your anger to Bobrisky, the originator of that tape? Why is Bobrisky afraid to come to the green chambers? If I was VDM, Allah, since you said you are not going to talk, you shouldn't have. Oh my goodness, this guy, you know, so you form, you know, be a dope picking. You form my hand for not talk. For not talk, because okay, here is the reason why I wanted to see Very Dark Man. You see, we are living in a world now where immorality is beginning to gain a cultural acceptance, so much that immorality is being repackaged to seem like a norm to us. And part of the immorality that is gradually culturalizing into a norm is homosexuality. Now, that world of homosexuality that VDM has dug into is a bigger cult. It's a bigger occultic organization than he thinks. So what I want to tell him that if he's prepared, or who and who are around him, it's a big thing. It's a very, very big organization. You don't just go if he's just bragging out. If you get people from village, they go bath you. Make them bath you, because it's a very, very big thing. It's a world order that wants to sell this concept to us, so that we begin to accept. In those days when I was growing up, ordinary trouser, if woman wear trouser, they stone them. For not here, just trouser. If woman wear trouser, they stone them. How much more make man wear lipstick? Come wear woman cloth. That one they will just buy one time. We are just looking at our society. We're just sitting back and watching our society crumbling. Our values are crumbling. Our youths in those days. I read the whole of James Hadley Chase at the age of 11, 12. I finished the whole of James Hadley Chase. There's no one I didn't read. The Joker in the Park, the Tiger by the Tail, all those ones. Make the Rich also. I don't know, just most of them. I read them all at the age of 12. Today, my two boys, now it had me to even make them read only one novel. Gonna game, a PS4. So our values are declining. Our morals are declining. So when you come on this and you are shouting, not only you sabi shout. What nonsense is that they shout? We want threaten. Very Dark Man, don't let anybody threaten you. Everybody there behind you solidly. Now make you not fall our hand. Go to for you. Not fall anybody hand. Waiting. They shout for channel. We want shout for. Somebody call your name. You know the verse with who call your name. You the verse with person who make it available. That means there is something that there is what's the word for the verse English? They disappear from my head. That means there is a mutual. There is something mutual between you and the originator of that this thing. Suddenly nobody is angry with Bobrisky. Bobrisky that was afraid before. The Bobrisky self, no wonder he choose to the dress like one, because he not be man self. Now I agree, because he not even get liver. Only women mad they leak anyhow. Only woman mad they leak. Smart you don't. Bobrisky say one commit suicide. All of a sudden he they get liver. No wonder Bobrisky they get liver. Now when you see reactions like this, it means you are not even trying to condemn his action. If this thing goes deeper, there is more to this than meets the eye. And Nigerians are interested to see what it is about this thing that is still left or no. You see, Now God just made this thing open because many things are happening behind the curtains. Now breeze don't blow, foul yarns are open. Since breeze don't blow, foul yarns are open. One catch for who remove the whole fader, make we see everything about the foul. You understand me? So in a normal climb, Falana should be using this opportunity to investigate the veracity of that video with a view to investigating the authenticity of the system we have established to correct whatever sense is remaining in Nigeria. Not coming on this, and I saw the video, I was like mad. I said, all his anger is on VDM. Not a single portion of his anger was channeled to Bobrisky. Eh? I think I agree too. If Bobrisky na Igbo man, they would arrest Antete. I agree with you. I didn't want to say it, but now that you said it in my comment section, let me buy it. Or is it because Bobrisky? I don't know. I don't know. Are you like Mr. Falana? Are you happy with the way the country is? Come here, they speak legal terms. Not only have you speak English, they shout Opwai. We want Opwai for. Nigerians are angry. The country is going down the drain, and all you care about is your defamation. If truly you feel defamed, you would have responded immediately. But because you probably must have, you say you don't know Bobrisky. Whatever is giving Bobrisky the heart to now defy the invitation of a whole House of Assembly, Bobrisky defied their invitation. Somebody is giving Bobrisky heart. Somebody, that same Godfather that told Bobrisky, don't worry, you will not sleep in the cell. Is the same Bobrisky that is the same Godfather that is telling Bobrisky, don't go to the House of Reps. Nothing will happen. Very dark man. If they invite you, go that House of Assembly again. Eh? And Bobrisky no show. You begin go they talk. Like I talk for this one. I swear to God, I'll use this platform. I will campaign against you. If you go this time again, you go they talk and Bobrisky no show for there. You don't fall the whole of Edo people hand and the whole of Midwest, you follow our hand. But we're not supposed to carry last. Waiting. What do you do? You keep pressing. You don't talk and say, me and you now, I know, and anything bolawe the entire yansh, I dislike him. If man touch me, if man put hand for my shoulder, past 10-20 seconds, I don't feel irritated. How much more to some people they finance this rubbish to encourage our youths? Eh? Any of my picking here, I see say in Bola they rise for another man. I go wait when they sleep. I take knife, chop and come out since you don't need it. Thank God I don't investigate all of them. All of them, if women they kiss for film, they are Bola they rise. I say yes, that's my boy. That's my boy. We cannot allow the nature on which the world was built upon to be changed because of people with deformity of the mind. And they are trying to sell the deformity of their mind to us so that we accept their depravities and their excesses and culturalize it so that we begin to see it as a norm. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Channel your anger to the instrument that is spoiling the country. Channel your anger to the instrument that is trying to change our youths yet unborn to begin to accept values that are inimical to our African culture. Channel your anger to that, not to very dark man. People don't fool you. They like Bola story. Eh? Any of that prick where John mistakenly rise, say the man touch and prick. I notice some. I go to sleep. I will cut and come out waiting. The Bola is made to penetrate Bekus. That is what it is made for. That is only the place it's meant to enter. After that, it goes back to the trouser. When it's ready, you bring it out and you put it again. God said, go ye and multiply. And what do you multiply with? Is the brick. Now we are talking about the thing. Why should Bobrisky even have the privilege of having pictures of him dressed as a woman being distributed along time? Is it not our children now have access to phones? Two of my boys have phones. My one is they are all young and they have access to see a man like them dressed like a woman. How much will it get to their head to the point that they will say, okay, I want to be like this person too? These are things, these are issues we should be talking about, not your integrity because your name was mentioned in a tape. So what if you mention your tape? If there was no communication between Falana and your son and Bobrisky, your name would not have appeared. Don't hide Bobrisky. Don't hide Bobrisky. We want to hear, we have heard VDM, and in fact, I don't want to hear VDM side. Now we want to see Bobrisky. They should grill Bobrisky. That issue that voice is AI is bullshit. That voice is not AI. The person with whom the voice note was made, at least you think we are all stupid. When a phone call is made, the tower in which the phone pinged, it has a recording. You can what's it? When you are making phone call, you can download the transcript from the internet. MTN or whatever network that was used to make that call, you can download the transcript. So this is an era of technology. You don't play with us. It's a simple forensic. This is a case that can be forensically determined. If the phone call is fake, at least there's a timestamp attached to that call. All you simply need to do is, if it is MTN, if it is Glo, if it is Airtel, if it is 9 Mobile, you go to the time, you ask 9 Mobile, please, this number, we want the call log as at 9/12 on the 2nd of February 2024. It will come out. And then the voice, because for every voice you make, every voice call you make is recorded. It's not lost. So when the call is played, it is not, the transcript will appear. You will see the conversation. You said this one reply like this one reply like. So what are you, these things you make it look as if it's a difficult thing to solve. Don't bamboozle our eye with your anger and your shouting on channels so that we go be like fool. We must get to the end of this matter. This matter no go die like this. Sure, you get me? So don't come and shout and you think and shout and distract everybody. We are focused. Who is that Godfather? Who is that Godfather?
Hello, sir.
Hey, my brother, how you doing?
Good, sir.
Now you see where Nigeria they go. What's your name?
Yeah.
So
First of all, I want to say something. First of all, Nigeria, I don't know the kind of law we have in Nigeria, because Nigeria, we don't do gay stuff in Nigeria. You know, if you do gay, if you act like a woman or something like that, you should have been in jail. You understand what I'm saying? You know what Bobrisky has caused in so many of these people. And one of the guy called it this guy has HIV. He has HIV. I know that I'm ashamed of myself the way our father standing up for Bobrisky, because I saw one man telling that, because Bobrisky is female, we can't describe him as we can't describe him whether male or female. We have to put him in an apartment or something like that.
Shameful, very, very shameful.
If it is a young man, he will have been arrested. They will have locked him up like that.
Straight away.
I don't want to lie. This is tribalism. We must stand up. We must stand up for very dark man, because something must not happen. Because the way way things are going in House of Assembly like that, because they are going against very dark man.
That's what
this
I
man
saw.
brought an evidence what Bobby Whiskey did. He brought an evidence what EFCC did, and they are going against him. There's a one man saying that he's going to arrest him or something like that. We must stand up for this. Is not done. If we want our country to be great, we must stand up for very dark. I'm a Yoruba man. I don't want to lie. If something is wrong, something is wrong. I don't know what kind of foundation are they laying for our children. Now, are you telling me that I can go and turn myself as a female?
Did you watch Falana's? Hold on. Did you watch Falana's response on Channels TV?
Yes, I saw it. Nobody blamed Bobby Whiskey for what they did.
I wonder.
Nobody blamed for Bobby Whiskey. This guy only played the record. He didn't say nothing. The only thing I hear about Very Dark Man said, he just said like, Abi Fice is doing too. That he didn't say nothing. He just asking himself. He didn't say nothing. I didn't say anything that is against defamation of God.
I simply think that these people are thinking this matter is a small matter.
This thing making me cry, man. I don't want to lie. It's pissing me off. Now they will turn everything to Very Dark Man. That's what they're trying to do.
Honestly, you said something that
what they are teaching us now. Yeah. What they are teaching us now, Bobby Whiskey is bigger than the law. That's what they're telling us now.
The reason is that bringing Bobby Whiskey now, a lot of things will be opened. That money laundering charge will lead to many things.
Yes.
Will lead to men. There's Bobrisky.
I don't know what kind of country Nigeria is not.
What do you expect now? What do you expect when the person at the top is corrupt? A man who told you that the only way to win an election is to grab it, snatch it, and run away with it. What do you expect?
Yeah, I know all the people in House of Assembly. They are the same thing. They are the same. Thief cannot arrest thief now. How do you want thief to arrest thief?
Don't worry. If you want to
call just be talking and blaming on someone.
The number you can use to call him. So I'm very angry.
Yes. I am begging that we must stand up for Very Dark Man. Something must not happen to that guy. Something must not happen to him.
But nothing will happen to him. They know now.
Yes. It's someone that they should need. It's someone that we should need in our country. That guy is intelligent. In US, like he will have become NYPD like that. He will have become like FBI like that. That guy is intelligent, very smart guy, and he always gather all his evidence before he come out. Go and watch Very Dark Man very well. He always gather every evidence before coming out.
Okay, let me take call from another person. Somebody else is calling, my brother. Thank you. Okay, Arinze, how are you?
Good evening.
Good evening, man. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Abuja, my brother. How are you?
You never sleep. Wait, you dey awake for like this now. You dey Abuja. You know they sleep.
This thing where they worry all of us. So
this thing is annoying, man. It's annoying.
No be say we dey sleep based on waiting the man talk for channel. You know, say me, I try to listen to the man line by line for video for the interview where she will ask some question. He get one part where catch me where I say make I talk about. He get when Bob he calling son tell and say he want make he borrow money 3 million naira. The guy can't talk say according to the father say you know for that money. And me, I never hear when person because the father can't talk say the boy can't tell and say if you want to call him again, may make sure say he write through controller of prison. I don't know if person want borrow you money, you go tell him may he write through controller of prison, or is that a story to
give him that access? Who give him? Are you supposed to make phone call from the prison?
So is that a story to make things fine, look fine for the eyes of the public, or all those ones? So me, I don't know, but what we know is that this country, if he talks more thing, you go to hear defamation, just like within VDM they talk. People know be God, now lawyer they be. And if he say
them not know say they not know say this VDM matter, that revolution way they think maybe now this one self go. They never know how people they provoke. They don't know how they provoke.
Because
since when they see me do video, they never see me come up provoke like this.
Waiting at they see for this thing, it just be like waiting that happen for real life. If they do people something, they do everybody, any person where you catch, you bend them down. If you reach small boy where you want bend down, you and I go down.
Make I pick on that call. Somebody has a call him. I don't they tire. Make I call on. Hello. Hey, merchandise. What's your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm calling you from Owerri, Imo State.
So what's your contribution to the show?
Okay, my contribution is that what is happening at the moment with the BDM and Bobrisky is crazy. And then there is cooperations like institution that is helping them.
Yes, there's a force. At the end, they want to push VDM as if he's the bad guy. VDM is not the bad guy.
Yeah, that is correct. So, but you can see the whole thing playing out there like it's political. So, but there are some things that I want to say, because I heard what you said when you started your conversation about women that behaves like men and men who behaves like women. So apart from Bobrisky, there are a lot of people in Nigeria who has already, been showing themselves as, the other, type of human being when they are not. So you have a platform, and it's ideal for you to use your platform to educate people more on why we should allow some certain things to happen. Like you said before, that if your son you see your son's dick rising, if a man touches him or something like that, you're going to cut his dick off or kill him or something like that. So why not find out why this kind of things happens? Why people behave like
Don't call. I'm using the other phone as Wi-Fi. Don't call directly. I'm using the other phone as Wi-Fi. Now, you see this issue of homo. I don't even want to research why people are doing it. It's bad. I don't want to excuse why they are doing it. I know they pretend. I don't want to excuse why they are doing. I don't want to know reason why anybody is doing anything. It's bad.
I'm fine. Okay, I beg. I saw Falana talking a lot of things last night. This is not a small force following that Bobrisky. And I appreciate the way you are going against the homosexuality of a thing.
Okay. So my sister, how you doing now? What's your name and where are you calling from?
I'm Juliet. I'm calling from England.
From England. How are you?
I'm not fine. I'm
in England.
For
Nigeria,
one leg day England, one leg day NAIJA.
Supposed to be
because
that. I listen to that.
No, really, I listen to channels like every day, and I listen to Arise as well. Like I do 7 o'clock channels, and I go to 8 o'clock Arise. Then the rest of it, any other time where I get time, now they follow.
So you
But
watch this Falana response today?
it's so unfortunate that today of all day, I did not. I'm telling you.
The man fall my hand.
I see
the man just come like Papa we want protect him.
No, I saw the updates,
okay.
But sincerely speaking, I was disappointed. I was really disappointed because I don't expect him from obviously, just like you said, he was trying to defend his son.
Yeah.
He's just a father trying to defend his son. Because
that's the only that was just what it is.
In the allege, as a lawyer like he is, he's just alleging that this is what it is, that he's trying to defend his son. That's just what it is.
And for a senior advocate, the defense was very poor. If I tell you want to defend, the defense was very poor.
It's poor.
Very
if you touch this side,
a whole senior advocate, even me when I not do law, if I go defend my son, I will even come up with more.
Make I bust your brain. This case not even gets direction. The direction just in one place. It's very obvious. Even to the blind, even to anybody, even to baby, they very glary. Even the House of Assembly self, no one shame themselves. Even themselves use their mouth talk and say they no one shame themselves. So what are we really talking about? It's just a country that has no law.
Absolutely lawless.
What's the system for? You they outside here, would they fear as Nigerians? You cannot speak out as Nigerians. It's crazy. No, really, forget them. Seriously. If you hear
you know from what state are you from? What state are you from?
I'm from Enugu State.
Okay. You say now like some people they talk say as you say Bobrisky na Igbo man now. They don't catch and take your example.
Tete now. Tete.
Thank God say now some of our Yoruba audience say they talk and not be first talker. They don't even take your example.
No, sincerely, the country is not being fair. It's not really fair. It's just fair.
A man exposed a video recording. A man exposed a video recording. You are not attacking the author of the video. You are attacking the person who carry and go sell.
I'm ashamed.
Not a single time did that man accuse Bobrisky. Not a single time did he accuse Bobrisky.
What gave me a bit of life was the confidence in VDM.
Yeah, in that place, yes. He was addressing them like his boy.
Like the appearance, the way he went there, and he's confident, the way he spoke was what gave me confidence that there's hope. Even if he's not going to win it, I don't care. But he actually
it's not give up for we must get to the end of this matter.
I'm still shaking. Like someone brought out his life, brought out his everything.
Let me tell you, hello, hold on. Let me tell you what is happening. You see, hello. Well, as a woman, you should be scared because what the deep state, what the deep world is trying to make is to allow men to take over your space so that at the end of the day, when we see real women, they will become irrelevant. As a woman, you will not be walking in our world without any use. You will no longer be attracted to us. Instead, we will now be attracted. This is pure evil. This is pure Satan. We will not, as you do now like this, even if you open your leg, I won't be attracted to you. Instead, I'll be attracted to that man way dressed like you. That way, we will reduce the population.
And I now saw a video when he made I think he replied to the Lost Chosen.
Hold on, let's speak. Don't go anywhere. Don't go. Let's speak this call. Okay, Faith to sorrow. Hold on, let's pick Faith to sorrow. Now women. Bila say this in provoke women pass.
So you won't understand.
Hello, Faith.
Yes, sir.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Delta State. Precisely, I'm calling from Oraka.
Okay. Oraka, you my sister.
Well, fine. I really want to appreciate. I'm calling from Oraka.
Are you Robo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you Robo? So, what's the contribution to the show?
Yes, I just want to, first and foremost, let me appreciate you. Let me appreciate you for this forum you have created for people to talk and really express themselves. I must really say that I am feeling very disappointed at the Falana family, the way they are going about it. Initially, I used to carry them in a very high esteem.
Me too. Me too.
Only for me to watch the channel today, in fact, the man has not been talking since. So I've been telling myself that, well, why is not talking? Because he feels that what the son and the daughter they are doing is childish. Maybe that's why he has not been talking. But for me to hear this man today on channel, it tells me that Nigeria, the hope of Nigeria is still very slim. Honestly, because this is a man. VDM exposed a very high-profile situation. He exposed it to Nigerians, and I expect the government to quickly go into this issue. And if they say it's forensic, they want to do to know the voice, if it's authentic, fine, well and good enough. Go into that and leave VDM alone. Why are they? Everybody is just on VDM. Everybody.
Big
feather. Because of their big feather, they want to use their big feather to oppress VDM. I just want to say something here this night. And what I want to say here is this. I want to speak to Nigerians, as many that are in this your platform. I want to speak to Nigerians that I think this is the time for we to raise up our voices.
I'm sorry to chip in, right? I'm really sorry to chip in. The fact is, the people in Nigeria are not even ready. I'm sorry.
That is the point. That is the point.
The people in Nigeria are not ready. If you check most of the people that actually antagonizing the government are the people abroad.
Tell you one thing for truth. Let me tell you one thing for truth. I want you to hear now. It's going to be short, but it's the truth. Do you know that day that VDM went to House of Rep? Do you know? You can't imagine the number of youth that were outside waiting for VDM in case anything goes wrong. There were so many people outside, and I can tell you from the moment that Honorable made that statement that they can arrest VDM. You can see the uproar, even outside. The uproar from the live chat that was going on. Everybody was saying, "Be on guard." Everybody mount guard. Everybody mount guard. Everybody was just shouting because I think right now VDM has been able to make the youth today to realize that we have only one Nigeria. We don't have two Nigeria.
So
I was telling my children, me, I'm 56 of age, but I was telling my children,
wait, madam, wait. These are children, boys, they are among them. I hope say they are prick the rise only when they see woman.
I'm telling you, my boys are straight boys.
No, you don't see them. You don't see they are prick the rise in front of woman.
Mr. Magnus, even my 2-month-old baby, they rise.
Mommy, this girl is beautiful. Let us tell me straight up.
Please, make we ensure that one. That one we don't show us that one is taken care of. Or no one hear any nonsense rising of feet for mankind.
God forbid. Every spirit of Bobrisky in my house, I cancel it. In Jesus' name.
Maleke Sandarabo Shakasinda, Rima Sandaraba, Lema Sandarabo Yakasinda.
I cancel it from my home in the name of Jesus. I just want Nigerians to rise up. And I want lawyers to rise up for VDM. We shouldn't leave this fight for VDM alone. Because they want to subdue VDM and they cannot subdue VDM. If they cannot, this time around, everybody will rise up. And I want to pity the Falana because you see, this whole thing will rubbish the whole name they have made for all these years. Yeah. They just want to rubbish themselves.
If that man should have kept quiet, honestly.
I feel disappointed. I feel disappointed. Look at when this man is down. They shout for Channel today.
I thought that was the only one right now. The guy called, I placed that man up there. The man came down very deep. Yes.
I used to watch channels every day. I'm on maternity leave. I watch channels like every day. You understand? Even when Shin was, when they said he was sacked and all that, I still watch, but it was boring, but I still watch. But today, like this, I don't know if it make me not watch channels. Yeah. Obviously, I would have been worse. Like, it would have been worse for me today.
You for boil like boiling ring.
See, the comment section bar, I don't go use television watch them on. Now my phone I go watch and I go feel comments the way I want. It's crazy.
It's so annoying that
I see you.
One of the most
I see you support these people. I still wonder how they do it. I see mothers support this kind of movement.
Make sure that all this rottenness in Nigeria, complete rottenness.
Every day you wake
What do you expect in a country where a man that don't know his left from his right become your president? What do you expect?
My sister, now wow.
He knows his left and his right. He knows his center. He knows
everybody. You see,
the president
Juliet,
knows everything. It's just that in that country, we don't hold anyone accountable for nothing.
No, don't worry. You see this thing that is playing. Hold on. You see this that is playing out here? This thing that is playing out, it will definitely culminate into something.
Yeah.
For now, they are taking us for granted. Look, when push come to shove, the real anger we go. Everybody is testing the microphone. You understand me? I think they did one riot yesterday in Abuja. There are a riot will come that they cannot.
All those things are not necessary. All those things are not necessary. Where is really necessary? They should just do the necessity, not be all those ones.
My sister come. You see this one way. This one way. Hold on, Juliet. When I not feel organize me, when I wanna do that, I wanna organize me two better phone with good camera. You see this one now this one they do Wi-Fi and I had to do call. I need like 2 more phones. I will call. Hold on.
Subscription.
Hold on.
In charge of the subscription, I don't mind. Like
you say Solo don't come inside again.
Hello,
Uncle Solo.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I want to add something to what I'm saying. Like there's a time when this issue started, when I always go against Bobrisky on my page, one of I see most of our Yoruba saying like, oh, he's just making his money. He's not doing it. I said like, do you know what Bobrisky have caused to the society? Do you know the damages? Like a lot of people, Bobrisky start doing all these things. You know how many people start doing it too?
Yes, now it's influence now.
Do you know how many people doing it? I saw a small guy yesterday when very dark man post that guy.
I saw it. I was
too. Crying. I was crying. Is that the kind of stuff we're gonna be practicing in Nigeria now? Like I was so ashamed of myself. Even though I feel like when Femi Falana is speaking today, I was like so ashamed of myself. I can't even watch that TV no more. I can't even watch it no more. I just like, you know what? let me just go back to my business, man. I don't want to watch it. It's pissing me off like crazy. It's pissing me off.
I'm really sorry to say, even when a prison officer, I'm sorry, sir.
Mr. Igbo man, he will have been arrested by now.
Tete.
Even though in the starting, they will not allow it.
Yeah.
They will not allow it.
Give me this charger.
I've seen Bobby Whiskey going to mosque. In Yoruba land, he's going to mosque to give all these credit money.
It's so unfortunate. Check this one long wire.
I'm sorry, but you see, an issue.
We are not practicing. If Bobby Whiskey can be going to mosque and nobody say nothing, and he's donating money for them,
even the prison official is saying that he donated 25 chairs. What a shame. The correction, I'm
crying. I don't know the kind of. I wish you.
Solo, somebody else is calling. Somebody else calling. Let me take on that call. Juliet, you see the kind of country where we live for us, Abi?
That is really shameful.
I'm telling you.
It's really shameful. Like, I'm just in this country for just, I never reached 3 years now. But sir, I'll not go lie you, but the thing where we they enjoy us, what do we enjoy yourself? Light, road, water.
You want to hold on. You want to add to the show? Oh yeah, okay. Add quick. We hear you.
Please, Nigerians, especially in Yoruba nations, we respect people so much. I'm an Igbo man, and I know there are a lot of Yoruba people that are well respected, especially that position.
Hey, now I'm gonna buy me phone. I need phone. The phone. Somebody else is trying to call him. Hey, now, Juliet.
Yes, sir.
Juliet.
Yes, sir.
You be they talk something about phone, oh.
I think your subscription, which this thing they use?
Nah, Glow.
Why they use Glow now? Glow no strong. Why no use
Now,
MTN?
for my house, then Glow na strong pass.
And get the broadband now.
To him now, you know, say me I know. Anyway, make I not talk to you for public. Before they come carry and say I dey beg for internet.
And DM me.
Oh yeah, now I not get your number now. Just you go. Okay, you wait. I dey come. Not be to pick up. You know as it be now. Hello, my sister. How you there now? I know say you go don't provoke tire.
Honestly, my WhatsApp number.
You know, my brother, you can tell you something. Nigeria don't finish you.
I'm telling you.
When they look out, and you know, why am I angry? We from the Deltas, I'm sorry, I don't want to be tribalistic here. All our resources have been used to borrow money.
That's so.
What are we doing about it? These people look at Lagos State. They are building Lagos State. Lagos State is becoming an urban city. So that when Nigeria will decide to break up, they have the capital ready for them. And which resources are they using? They are using the resources of the NAIJA. So what am I saying? Yes, I know this, what his name, very dark man. He's a very bold man. And I'm so disappointed with Park. I'm so disappointed with the family for the way they are taking this issue. VDM never said anything wrong about this family. But because they know what they have done, I will put allegedly because I'm on your platform. Allegedly, they know what they have done. They know that something is about to come out. Allegedly, they have committed something which they want to cover. My brother, Oraka, let me tell thing that we are doing with VDM and everything, you will see where it is going to end. They will turn it around to favor that boy.
That's what he wants to make it from Falana's and in this today. He's making it look as if it is VDM that is defaming. The VDM didn't defame him now. VDM made something available. No. So how has it defamed you?
No, this man said,
if they could not analyze, if they could not actually say,
Nigeria has signed a contract. They have signed a contract. They have signed this market from the back, from the annex. They have signed it with these people to borrow money so that they can be enjoying what they have. You know what I'm saying? You people will see. Because Nigeria is against this thing. That this man, everybody is now supporting him. He came out of the prison. There are those who have gone to prison and came out. Nobody helped them with money. But this guy went in, came out, and look at people are giving money all over the place. You see this thing that they call them from that place, you know. A lot of people are into it. Even the one that call themselves allegedly married men, they are going to patronize these people.
Minus me, oh. Please, minus me.
Mr. Magnus,
let us hear this. Let us hear this other woman speak.
Let me give a scenario that happened before I left Nigeria. There was the money that entered my husband's account before we left Nigeria, and that was, I think, a year before we left Nigeria. 400,000 left the account, and it was traceable. I don't know how they do it. It was through OPay. There was a contact, there was a name, there was an address. We went to the was all this government agency. Trust me, there was, you cannot let 400,000 just go like that now.
No.
We went to all those agencies, nothing happened. We went to court say you have to pay 10% to get court order. And so we work out for the whole bank, UBA. We work out. Even the bank manager himself, who say, I not go hide down, who say bank manager, no know anything they do. But
what
it happened in England.
Go ahead.
Thank you. What I want to say quickly, please, we should know how we are going to get in touch with this very dark man. We need to protect him. We need to protect this man because everybody is against him. Yeah.
That guy is like my conscience. Like, he's like,
yeah.
I'm breathing through that guy now. Like, I don't know how it is, but I'm just breathing through him.
He's doing a great job.
No, they can't. I don't think they will touch him now because they know that the youths are solidly behind him.
Okay.
So hard me them touch that guy.
So my brother, that is this thing when they call Toti. That is really in Nigeria now.
Madam, you don't hold on, Madam Joyce. Come on, okay. you don't check your boys where they are pre rise. Now for man, I've been now for woman. You don't check them.
My boy like the ladies well now.
That one is safe.
Don't encourage teenager this thing, no.
No, I'm not encouraging teenagers. I just want to be sure. I just want to be sure now. So if any
person like my sister,
I just want to be sure the thing they function only when they see woman. Let's just cancel, more cross that T first. Then we know that we don't come out.
No, but it's shameful. It's shameful. In a country where we don't accept that, they can't come house of rape.
I beg my sister, leave that matter. Leave that matter. Now we know that. They don't know that. This is what they talk to my brother. Now we know that. They don't know that. It is on the ground. On the ground, they don't take out collect money.
They do them. Them plenty.
Yes, no.
Them plenty.
Allegedly, oh.
May not be allegedly, then they plenty.
No, they.
It's not true. That one we go visit Boriski for prison. When they for Bobby Brown, when they for who teacher. They say the small children, this one we say go call. Small children where Boriski they line up. They go for the place where they for the street, you know, in a kettle, no need to stay up.
If I see the twist my stomach.
It's irritating.
They twist my stomach.
It's irritating.